Hey, to turn on or off the mobile data saving on your Realme C67, first of all, you will have to open the settings. From here, navigate into the mobile network, and now go into the data usage. From here, go into the network access. We have to go into the data saving for sure. And when we click on this icon, we will enable the mobile data saver. So click on it. And now, as you can see, this function restricts apps from using mobile data in the background. And as you can see, that's how it looks. When this function is turned on, you can actually find this icon in the right bottom corner of your status bar. When you click on it and turn it off, it will disappear. And also from here, you can unrestrict apps. So for example, if you still want the Google Play services to bypass this mobile data saver, you can leave this mark right here, and also you can adjust these applications from this screen. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.